Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another colorful makeup tutorial for you. I've been trying to play a lot more with colors these days because I feel like I'm just so dull and out of the makeup loop in a while now. So I am trying to motivate myself more and do more colorful creative looks. So yeah, I have this really pretty like fiery makeup look for you today, and it's actually pretty simple. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, always prime the eyes. And then just make sure to set that as always. Anybody is like specifically curious of what I use, I always use a beige shade like I always say, but I use this one in this ColourPop palette, and this is the Sweet No Things palette. I got it for Christmas a long time ago, so I'm not sure if they still have it in stock, but if I do find it somewhere, I'll be sure to link it for you guys. So for today's makeup look, we're mainly going to be using the Bretman Rock Lit palette with ColourPop, and this is really inexpensive. I believe it's still in stock as well, so of course if you are interested in it, it'll be down below. And it's I think only like $8 or $12, and it has all of these red shades right here, which is so amazing. And we're gonna first go ahead and take the yellow and this kind of burnt orangey color, and we're gonna put that in the crease and just mix it together to make all of the shades blend easy together. Tap off the excess as always, and then just lightly go in. So I took more of the yellow product than the red, as you can see here, and I just lightly tapped in there. You want more of the yellow shade on the crease because we are dealing with yellow right on the lids as well. And now with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush in JH31, it's just a crease blending brush, I'm going to be taking light and period, but more of period, so that we can blend the shades together for the crease. And just lightly sweep that on the crease here. And I am gonna flick it out just a little bit and wing it here, but ever so lightly, as I said. So when doing a cut crease, you're going to be wanting to layer a lot of different eyeshadows and different shades to create a really nice blend and make it not look so harsh, as you can see in a lot of my like other cut crease tutorials and stuff like that. So now taking a smaller tapered brush, this is the Morphe E17, I'm taking Macchiato and Like, and then just really focus that on the crease here, not blending it out yet. So you can see it's pretty red, and we don't want it to be too red because it will take away from this red right here. So take your blending brush and take that yellow shade again, and just sweep that across to blend it all together. Now with my Friendcation palette, my go-to as always. And then with these shades here, the red one, like, and this deeper brown. And this part is gonna be pretty harsh and intense, so lightly put it in. I kind of just lay it out first, and then we'll come back to it. Also, if you hear the rain, I apologize. Can't really do much about it, but when you do lay a harsher shade and a darker shade, try to focus it more on the eyelid parts, because that part's going to be covered anyways, and it's going to be easier to mess that part up than up here where it is supposed to be visible. Okay, just like that. Take period and like, and just try to blend that as much as possible, but very, very lightly so that it doesn't get too crazy and messy. And now we're going to take our concealer. I just like to put it on the back of my hand and then use my flat top brush. This is the Morphe 432, and just cut your crease. Alrighty, and then we're going to take this a little bit more than halfway, but we're not going to take it all the way sweeping up. It is thunderstorming so bad. Alrighty, and that's how it should look like. And even though we're gonna be laying eyeshadows on it, we still want to set it so that it doesn't look patchy or chalky at all. So go ahead and just set that cream. Now for the fun part. So taking that yellow again with a really flat brush. This is the Morphe M124, and I'm gonna go ahead, tap that off, and just go ahead and apply that. I feel like starting on the bottom part of your lid by your lash line is a lot easier, because if you put a lot of product there, you can always spread it out, versus if you start up here and it's too dark, then you can't really go back because it's gonna look weird if you wipe it. So yeah, start at the bottom here and then reach up, because we still want our really fine crease line. Definitely tap it in versus sweeping it across to make it more precise. And we're just gonna go a little bit more than halfway with this. Now with an even smaller flat brush, I'm taking the Morphe M213, and we're gonna be using this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this really bright red here. I love this red, and apply that right on the outside. So I'm not gonna layer it right on top of the yellow right away, because that will just make it harder to blend. So I just kind of start at the outer corners here, as you can see, and without adding any additional product, just kind of sweep it out a little bit, and then I will tap it off and start to go towards the yellow here, and very, very light pressure. Just start blending them together. See how easily it was blending out right there? As you blend it the first time, and you can see how smoothly it can go together and it doesn't look harsh anymore, that's when you can start adding more product to make it more vibrant. But again, don't just go straight in, definitely inch your way towards that direction. Now I'm just taking that yellow again and blending it out. And that's pretty much all the eyeshadow. You can add eyeliner if you want, but I'm just doing mascara and lashes. And before I put on my lashes, I'm taking just a kiss and apply that on my inner corners. The house literally shook. And then we're gonna go ahead and put eyeliner on our tight line and our waterline here. This step is very important if your lashes do have a black band, or if you're not that great at putting on lashes. Trust me, this will just hide the lash line, so people will never know if you put it on bad or not. And then now that everything is basically on, I'm just gonna be taking this brush again that we used for the red, and just gonna sweep out the red a little bit just to make it a little more dramatic and blend out more. You don't have to do this step, but I just feel like it's a little bit more fun and it adds a little bit more edge to it. I did not add any additional product either. Alright you guys, that completes the video for today. If you liked it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and hopefully if you guys recreate this, please do tag me or send me pictures. All my social media is down below for you to do so, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!